So today's recipe is going to be about crispy prawn balls, the perfect appetizer. Hey everyone, this is Sadia Bulbiru and let's get started. To a medium bowl of diced prawns marinated with ginger and garlic paste and salt, you need to add 1 egg, then 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a little paprika, some garlic paste, corn flour, green chili paste, sliced green chilies, and black soy sauce, and then mix it all together. Then goes in a cup of breadcrumbs in batches of 3. When it's well combined, make tiny bite-sized balls. My sister asked me why I wore gloves for this part, and the obvious reason was because the smell of seafood won't go away. Refrigerated for about 20 minutes. Time to coat up balls with breadcrumbs. Fry them on low flame until golden. And that's it. Enjoy with tomato ketchup or spicy mayonnaise. I upload videos every Saturday, so go hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you next week. Stay safe.